Looking for garage door repair in Napa, CA? Dunrite Garage Door Repair Napa has you covered. From garage door spring repairs to opener installations, we provide fast, reliable service to keep your garage door running smoothly. Whether you need garage door repair Napa, California or garage door repair near Napa, our expert technicians are ready to assist. We specialize in everything from garage door cable repairs to full garage door replacements, ensuring your door is safe and functional. No job is too big or small. Our team is dedicated to quality service at competitive prices. Don't let a broken garage door disrupt your day. Call Dunrite Garage Door Repair Napa for professional and affordable service today.